right now on the other side of the boundary as well, going from Marineway both directions. I see multiple SWAT vehicles here. Heads up. SWAT vehicles heading up the cut as well. How about westbound North the Mountain Highway going down the cut too? So watch out. You get the idea, guys. BCAA. This holiday, get the BCAA Plus membership and save $20. Join today at bcaa.com/gift.
One day, I finally found the courage to flee an abusive relationship and found myself at Covenant House Vancouver. The pandemic made it difficult to get back on my feet, but the staff at Covenant House helped me every step of the way. Now I found my own place and a job I absolutely love. I couldn't have done it without Covenant House.
Okay. That was too close, remember? I'm glad, you know, I saw that coming. I was thinking, like, okay, if I start getting up close to this truck, which way am I going? I'm glad that I saw it coming. Jesus Christ. I really don't think that I would have stopped there.
One of our favorite holiday greetings is, "'Tis the season."
Right here. It's minus 15, wind chill's minus 25, and over my shoulder, I can't see shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, blowing snow. Wind chill of minus 22, temperature to minus 12, and winds are 40 gusting up to 50. Of course I say that, and it dies immediately. It's like freaking Whistler. This is... It's better now. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. So, what's this? Try to flip the camera around. This is stupid. So winds, this is out in Abbotsford, Sumas area. Winds, I measured them on my car, 45 kilometers, gusting up to 55, blowing snow along the south end here. This is just, wow. Down power lines back there. You can see where the wind kind of dies down by the way the road's covered up by the snow and ice there. Then right here, yeah, you can see it's just like blowing across. If I wanted to stop here, no. I'm just heading southbound, so we got some strong outflow winds out from the east. I really have to pay attention to what's going on here. But snowdrifts on either side of me. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay. Back around. Alright, there we go. And we're going. Actually just turned around to head back the other direction. Lots of blowing snow in a little bit here. Got winds up to 50, 55. Holy shit. Hold on. Jesus Christ, what just happened? Okay, hold on. I gotta stop. Quickly, clear that off. Well, that was something else. Okay. Lesson learned. Don't drive through snowdrifts. I gotta find a mount for this. It's in the back. I don't really want to stop and grab that now. So provided we avoid that, this is what I'm talking about right here. It's gusting up to 55 kilometers an hour. It's just stupid. It's an absolute nightmare. Yeah. I'm gonna stop right along here. Holy shit. Oh, hey, Jackson again. I'm just stopped here. It's kind of become stupid at this point. Yeah. You can just see snow blowing across. Holy crap.
In Surrey on Highway 17 eastbound east of 104th Avenue, so it looks like a bunch of semis are clogging up that route. Watch out for that one. Spun out vehicles in Delta along 72nd Avenue eastbound between the 91 and Westview, still slow through this stretch.
There's honestly just like a bunch of snow that's just kind of drifted across the road here, like just kind of piled up like right here. I can't go into the other lane here because there's a truck, but oh, it's not that bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, I would have stopped and helped the guy out, but there was no real place to stop that wasn't in a snowdrift. This is funny, because right here, the road is now fine. Because the wind's blowing all the friggin' snow off. Jesus Christ, there's a flipped fucking car in the ditch.
To the -14. Partly cloudy as we get into towards this evening. A break on Wednesday, mainly sunny and a high of -10.
And Jeep. Oh, what the hell?
All right, thank you so much, Yvonne.
I feel like you did that intentionally. Like, that was like really well controlled. Oh yeah, let's go, boys! Let's go! Oh, I love that. That's perfect. Nice.
And we're just like not equipped for them, but to actually have the resources to deal with that, to keep all the roads clean all the time, it's simply just not possible with what we've got available. And you know, that just comes with living on the West Coast. You know, people are gonna make fun of us. I know it's extremely frustrating when you're out there and you see the roads haven't been cleared yet. I get it. Boy, do I get it. I hear about it. You know. But the road crews, they're out there, they're doing the best they can with what they got.
Okay, so I can't turn.
And they have been working very hard over the last 24 hours to get that, actually, since the weekend, really, to get those roads cleared up. And especially when the snow just continuously falls. Like, you can plow Highway 1, you can plow it over and over again, but it's going to keep getting buried by the snow, right? So, you know, are they perfect? Is everything, you know, whoever's in charge of doing this, is it perfect? No, of course not. There's always things that can be done better. But I think that those crews do the best they can with what they've got. And in any event, I don't know who's responsible